the key to life is to win. Act like it's all a big game. Shuffle the cards and deal out your hand, and maybe you'll get a good play. So I gathered my bets and I rolled out my dice, played the best hand that I knew. But as soon as the chips rolled into my hands, I wasn't so sure what was true. 'Cause how can you know you're right when you're winning? How can you tell who's to rise and who's to fall? How can you tell what's right before the darkness created the light, and the great winter winds tell the story of it all? Sweet Peggy Sue was the best in her class. She played every hand with pride, but the cards came up bust. She forgot how to trust. Now she's lonely in Reno tonight. Little old Ramsey, he trusted his gut. He made some dangerous plays. Yeah, you can have lots of fun, but you know everyone gets up from the table someday. How can we know we're right when we're winning? How can we tell who's to rise and who's to fall? How can we tell what's right before the darkness created the light, and the great winter winds tell the story of it all? They say that the jack of diamonds will rain, and an ace could go either way. But I'll tell you a secret I've never revealed. However you play is okay, for to win is to weather the storm of your life, the storm of learning to see. Yeah, thunder's desire, I'd light up a fire and become not a drop but the sea. Oh, thunder's desire, I'd light up a fire and become not a drop but the sea.